Hi everybody, I'm Swami here. Can everybody put your earphones on mute? Thank you. So today we are going to see about yard management. So what is yard management? So yard is nothing but a complex warehouse. So yard will be having more than one warehouse. So a warehouse which is being inside the yard management, inside the yard, I mean to say. So now yard will be having a staging area where what is staging area? Goods issue area or goods receiving area. It's an intermediate storage space or interim storage space. That is staging area. And a door is associated with the warehouse. So it is a gateway wherein goods entry and exit will be happening. So that is doors. So yard consists of multiple warehouse and yard will be having a storage area and a warehouse will be assigned to a door. Door is assigned to a warehouse. So I'm giving you a diagrammatical representation of a yard. Now what we are going to do is we are going to buy a material from a vendor, raw material from a vendor, and we are going to place it in the bin, storage bin. So material will be arriving here. Here it will arrive through staging area, goods receiving area, or an interim storage area. Through storage area, staging area, it goes to the door one. It is a entry or exit point of a warehouse. Through the warehouse Z11, warehouse 1, Z11, it goes to the storage type 01 and I'm going to place it in bin 01 03-03-01. So I'm going to show this in the SAP system. Again, I'm just going to tell you what we are going to do. So we are going to buy a material, raw material from the vendor through the yard, through the storage staging area STA1, through the door 1, entry or exit point of a warehouse, inside the warehouse, inside the storage type, inside the bin, I'm going to place the material in the bin 03-03-01. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a purchase order and I'm going to create an inbound delivery and I'm going to show the yard as well as the warehouse, how it is managed in SAP. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you in the SAP system. Go to, I'm going to create a purchase order. I'm going to buy a material ME21N. Enter the vendor. 121 is the vendor. Zack Industries is the vendor. Enter the purchase organization, purchasing group. Enter the material. Enter the plant. I'm going to buy tint glass. Enter the PO quantity 6. I'm going to enter 6 quantity. Enter the storage location. Confirmation control. Select the confirmations. Press enter and save it. I'm going to create a purchase order. I'm going to buy a material tint glass from Zack Industries. So this is the PO number. I'm going to take this PO number. PO number. This is PO number. PO number. Now I'm going to do inbound delivery. Go to PL31N is the inbound delivery. See here, inbound delivery, this is the purchase order. 450007117260. It's been copied here. Press enter. Now go to the header. This is the header. Go to the header. Go to unload tab. In the header, unload. Enter the door. DD1. DD1 is the door. And enter the staging area. Enter the STA1 is the staging area. So I'm going to buy a material. This tin glass in the staging area STA1 through door DD1. I'm going to place it in the warehouse. Inside the warehouse, storage type 001, and I'm going to place it in the bin 0303-01. So now I have assigned door DD1, staging area STA1. Now save it. Now save it. I'm just saving it. Inbound delivery number. I'm going to take down the inbound delivery number. 180000001110 is the inbound delivery number. Here is the inbound delivery number. This is the inbound shipping notification number or inbound delivery number. Come back. So in the yard monitor, double click onto the yard monitor. This is the transaction code. So what is the yard? Z12 is the yard. So executed. See here, inbound deliveries. Select inbound deliveries. See here, it has come. 1800001110. See, this is the warehouse number. Z11 is the warehouse number. Here I have shown you Z11 is the warehouse number. Z11 is the warehouse number. So here, go to the SAP system. See, staging area is STA1, door is DD1. So now, through the gateway, staging area, STA1, it is an interim. Already I have told you, it is an interim storage location. STA is the interim storage location or intermediate storage location. Through STA1, through door 1 gateway, it is going to the, it's in the warehouse Z11. I'm going to place it in the bin now. Go here, go to the SAP system, close this. This is the yard monitor. Come back, go to goods receipt. I'm going to do goods receipt, GR. Purchase order with the reference to purchase order. I'm going to do goods receipt. Goods receipt with the reference to the purchase order. So this is the purchase order. Press enter. Go here. Item OK. Check and post. See, I have posted it. Material document is this one. 800000432 is the material document number. Come back. So now go to, I'm going to go to BIGO. I'm going to take down the TR number, transfer requisition number, warehouse transfer requisition number, display, press enter. TR number, go to warehouse WM. See, TR number is 12. 12. TR number is 12. TR number is 12. Now go back. /n. I'm going to confirm the transfer request to LT04. I'm going to create a transfer order based on the transfer request. See, transfer TR number is 11. Press enter. Please submit one. Go to LT04. Go to LX03. Let's see. Execute. Well, it's 12. Sorry, it's 12. Now post it. Save it. Now go back. Go to LT12. I'm going to confirm it. So I'm going to post it here in pin. Destination pin 030301. This is the destination. Save it. Now come back. Go to LX03. Pin status report. Executed. See here. Just come. 6 now. Stock is 6. See, total stock is 6. I'm placing it here. So what I did is I purchased a material from the vendor, put it in staging area STA1 through door 2. I have kept the material in 03-03-02 and the storage type is 001 and in the warehouse Z11. So this is what all about yard. So it is a basics of yard management. I did a goods receipt. If you want to know more about warehouse and yard management, get in touch with Learn to Win Swaminath.com, the swami@gmail.com. This is my WhatsApp number +91 9940 654371. Thank you.